Ei, Fools, us trobo a faltar.
I nosaltres també.
Però bueno, a veure si, encara que sigui des de la distància, com sempre hi posarem tota la intenció perquè tot això arribi. Bones vibracions.
Va, vinga.
Doncs Jordi, jo estic vibrant per començar ja. Som-hi. City of stars, are you shining just for me? City of stars, there's so much that I can see. Who knows? I felt it from the first embrace I shared with you.
That now our dreams, they finally come true. City of stars, just one thing everybody wants. There in the bars and through the smoke screen of a crowded restaurant, it's love. Yes, all we're looking for is love from someone else.
A rush,
A glance,
a touch,
a dance,
look in somebody's eyes to light up the skies, to open the world and it breathing.
a voice that says I'll be here and you'll be alright.
I don't care if I know just where I will go, 'cause all that I need is this crazy feeling, a rat-tat-tat on my heart. Think I want it to stay. City of stars, are you shining just for me? City of stars,
You never shine so brightly. Que guai. Moltes gràcies, Fols.